Question we have to express 8 minus 2 root 6 all upon 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2 in the form of m root 3 plus n root 2, where m and n are rational numbers. So we first try to rationalize its denominator, and then we try to express it in this form. So let's start by solving this question. Let's write again 8 minus 2 root 6 all upon 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2. We're going to rationalize this by multiplying this side. Let's write our division line. We say we're going to change this sign. We write this denominator on the other side, but this time around we're going to change the sign to negative because it's positive. Negative, we change it to positive. Yeah, it's positive, so we change it to negative on the other side. So we write 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2, multiply the denominator and the numerator again this by the same, minus 3 root 2. So here our next step will be by bringing this together, open and close the bracket, and then we have 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2 all upon 2 root 3. Bring this together, plus 3 root 2, open and close this, and then we bring this 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2, close the bracket. Now the next step is to expand this bracket. 8 multiplied by this, and then 8 multiplied by this one. 8 times 2 root 3 is multiply 8 by 2 is 16. It becomes 16 root 3. 8 again multiplied by minus 3 root 2. Minus sign, right? Our minus sign. 8 times 3 is 24 root. So we are done with 8. We'll come to minus 2 root 6 multiplied by 2 root 3 minus sign times 2. The numbers outside. 2 times 2 is 4. And then root 6 times root 3, since they are different, so we multiply them. 6 times 3 is 18, so this is root 6 times root 3, this becomes root 18. And then we come to this minus 2 root 6 times minus 3 root 2. Remember, you're multiplying two negative signs, minus 2 root 6 multiplied by minus 3 root 2. So this here becomes positive. 2 times 3 here is 6. And then root 6 multiplied by root 2, since they are different, root 6 times 2 is 12, so this is root 12. So write out 2 root 3 multiplied by 2 root 3. Remember, you have two roots and these roots are alike, so the rule changes. So 2 times 2, we multiply these 2, so this is 2 times 2 is 4, and then root 3 multiplied by root 3, just take 3. We're going to multiply it by 4, put it in bracket, and then 2 root 3 multiplied by minus 3 root 2, 2 times 3 outside, 2 root 3 multiplied by minus, right, a minus sign, 2 times 3 is 6, and then root 3 multiplied by root 2, since they are different, we multiply them, this becomes 3 times 2, 6, this is 6 root 6, and then we are done with this. We come to this, plus 3 root 2 multiplied by this, 3 times 2, the numbers outside, this is plus on both sides, so add plus. 3 times 2 is 6. And then root 2 multiplied by root 3, root 6. So we come to plus 3 root 2 multiplied by minus 3 root 2. Plus times minus is minus. 3 times 3 is 9. And then 2 multiplied by root 2 is 2. So this is what we're going to have. So we write again 16 root 3 minus 24 root 2. Now we're going to simplify further this root 18. We look for a perfect square we can multiply for us to get 18. And that perfect square is 9 because square root of 9 is 3. So 9 times 2 gives us 18. And then plus, we look for a perfect square again we can multiply for us to get 12. And that perfect square is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 4 by 3 gives you, so we write our division line. We have here 4 times 3 is 12. And then we have minus 6 root 6 plus 6 root 6. This gives you 0. This is same as 6 plus 6 root 6 minus 6 root 6. So this cancels. So we have minus 9 times 2. This gives you minus. So we have here now 16 root 3 minus 24 root 2 minus 4. Yeah, the square root of 9 is 3. So bring out 3. We're going to multiply it by 4. and then we keep with 2 because 2 is not a perfect square, plus 6, and then square root of 4 is 2. We bring 2 out, and then write with 3 because 3 is not a perfect square. So write this all upon, so 12 minus 18 is minus 6. So let's continue solving. We're going to have now 16 with 3 minus 24 with, this is now minus 4 times 3 is 12 with 2, and then 6 times 2 is 12 with 3. This is all upon minus 6. So now we're going to collect like terms. They are alike if they have the same root. Yeah, this one is alike with this, and then 24 with 2 and minus 7 with 2 are alike. So let's collect like terms. So we have 16 with 3 plus 12 with 3, and then minus 24 with 2 minus 12 with 2 all upon minus 6. So we continue solving this. We have now 16 with 3. Okay, we add these two together. So we add these two. 16 with 3 plus 12 with 3. This is 28 with 3 minus 12 minus 24 with 2 minus 12 with 2. They are like, we add them. This gives you minus 36 with 2 all upon minus 6. We have to express in the form of m with 3 plus n with 2. So we're going to divide throughout by minus 6. So here we say 28 with 3 divide by minus 6. And then minus 36 with 2 divide again by minus 6. So here we look for a number that can go into both 28 and 6. Let's take 2. 2 into 3 is 3. 2 into 28 is 14 times. Now minus here, let's say 6 itself 1. 6 into 36 is 6 times. We have here now minus 14 over 3 with 3 with 3. We have minus times minus is plus. We have 6 with 2. So this is our answer for this question. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe.